Dalia telling clients that they could go towards a partnership model. What could that look like?
Well, this is something that Ray has been working on for the last 10 years. He's been stepping away slowly from the business, and there's been a few hiccups along the way. They brought in some people from the outside. It didn't work out. People internally have changed roles. So this is undoubtedly the next step in that. And over time, he's been giving people more ownership in the company, the senior executives, so that'll probably boost that. And also, I suspect that he'll be telling us when we interview him shortly that other people will have more control over what goes on inside the firm.
So tell us a little bit about the firm itself and its culture, because they had this radical transparency culture. What's it been like when it comes to the leadership structure so far?
So the leadership structure, when they have a conversation about something in the firm, then the people who have who are considered to be the people with the highest standing in the firm are the ones that get to really make the decisions. And since Ray has the highest standing, he's been the one that's sort of been able to control the decision making. And then as the executives go down in their tenure, they have less and less control. So I think he's going to boost their standing and reduce his.
So this evolution, Kathy, will be compared to others, including Goldman Sachs, which ultimately led to an IPO. Is there an expectation that that's part of the plan here, that this could wind up in the public market?
No, not really. They have sold stakes to some institutions in the past, but I don't think they have any plans to go public at all.
Is that because they have already the cash that they need, or they have brought in already outside investors, so they don't need to raise any more money?
Yes, that's correct. They don't need to raise any more money, and they manage so much money, and they generate so much cash that it's not really an issue.
So do we think there will be a major change in the investment style or process on the other side of this? As you say, it's been a period of years that this has been coming, but this feels like a slightly more official stepping back and inviting others to the table. What might change?
I don't think that anything will really change. I think that they have a very set way in which they manage money, and a lot of it has been computerized, and I just don't see that they're going to change any of that. It's been fairly successful.
So in terms of implications for investments that they may make or directions they may take, there hasn't been internal dispute that will now be resolved differently?
No, I don't believe so.